Well, hello, all my calculus people, fellows, whatever. I'm gonna throw this pen. So anyway, today we'll be doing, actually conquering, finding an equation of the tangent line curve. Find the equation of the tangent line curve to the curve at the given point. So as you can see here, we have two beautiful, not beautiful, they're not. We have two course problems here, and today I'm going to help you conquer this problem and this problem. So let's first start off with this problem. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the derivative. So I don't know why you take it, because once you graph it, it should be tangent to this original graph, to this original y, I should say, and I'm not going to graph it because it just says find the equation. And yeah, okay, so I'm going to do it. So so you're going to take the derivative, and so here, of course, this is two terms. 4x is one term, and the second term is just e to the x. So we will be doing product rule, of course. So f dot g prime plus g dot f prime. So the derivative of e to the x is just, well, e to the x, so it'll be 4x e to the x plus this times the derivation of 4x, which is just 4. So then you're left with 4 e to the x. And so after that, you will plug in 0 for your x here. So basically, you'll be left with, this is going to be your slope. So once you plug 0 into your axis here, that will be your slope. And then you're going to have to put it in slope, I forgot. You're going to put it in this format, y minus y1 equals m times, well, slope, m times x minus x1. You're going to put it in this sort of format. I'm going to put slope in this format. So I'm going to continue. So if you plug 0 into here, it'll just be so let's see. You plug 0 into here, well, actually this is y prime. Y prime would equal to, so basically this will just become 0, because e to the 0 is just 1, and then 1 times 0 is just 0, plus 4 times e to the 0 is just 1, so then you're left with y prime equals 4, and this is our, what do you call it, slope. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to now put it in the formula, point slope formula. So it'll be y minus 0 equals just 4 minus x minus 0. And this should be really simple, so then you're left with y equals 4. And that is, our equation. We found the equation, tangent, line, whatever. So this is basically your equation of the tangent line. Yeah, that's what they would call it. You'd call it. So now we've conquered this one. So yay, can throw a party because you've conquered this. Now you can throw a second party if you want to conquer this, which is y equals 1 plus 2x to the 10th power, 0, 1. I'm going to use, let's see, pink, because I kind of like pink. No, actually I like blue. So I'm going to show it, and I'm going to do this. So it'll be y prime. So here, we're going to do, of course, we're going to do the chain rule, because it's to the 10th power. So 10 times in the front, 1 plus 2x, times on the inside, which is just, well, 2, because once you derive the inside, it'll be, 2, because 1 just goes away because it's a constant, so it'll just be, of course, 2. And then you're left with, for y prime equals 20. You can just sort of bring this over here, and you can course, multiplies to just love 20 times, well, actually, yeah, to the 9th power. 1 plus 2x, I'm so crazy. To the 9th power, don't forget to the 9th power. And then now you're going to plug in 0 for this. This is simple. So y prime equals 20 times 1 plus 2 of 0. It's just 9. And then this cancels. This just becomes 0, so it's just 1 plus 0, which is just, well, 1. 1 to the 9 is just 1. And now you're left with y prime equals 20. And this is your slope. And so now you're going to plug it in point, slope, intercept format, slope, intercept. Okay. You're going to plug it into this formula. I'm just going to write it in the middle of here. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I'm just going to write it up here. That way everyone sees it. Now you're going to put it in this format. So then you're going to have y minus 1 equals 20 times x minus 0. And this just comes out beautiful. So in the end, it'll be y equals 20 x plus 1. And this is our, this is another equation, well, second one to it. So what I basically use x minus 0 is just x. And then I add 1 to this side, and that's how I got y equals 20x plus 1. And so I hope you've now conquered this lesson. And as you can see, I love throwing things. So anyway, you can request any more videos. Actually, any more. Leave a comment down below to tell me what I should help you conquer next. So, yeah, I hope now you've conquered finding the equation of the tangent line. I have really bad trouble saying this. Finding equations for this problem. So, yep, bye.